Today we are going to model a spoon, just like you've seen here on our scene. So we are going to start afresh. I will hide this so we can have a clear scene, just like that. Okay, we go to the front side, add our mesh. We come here and add our mesh. This is the one way to add the mesh. Come here, add the mesh, or you can press Shift A and add a mesh like that. So the mesh we are going to add here is a UV sphere, so that we can create a spoon out of it. If you select this front part, you will discover that the other part is not selected. So what do? We go to wireframe mode like this. So we'll press there, wireframe mode, and then select the top part just like this. Then we press X and delete the faces just like that. Now we go back to object mode and go back to solid mode like that. Okay, I will bring it at the top in z-axis, bring it at the top like that. Then go it like this. I want to add some thickness, so I will go to this panel over here, click, go to solidify mode 0.01. Okay, I leave it over there. Then we have at least a shape of a spoon. Okay, so what do we do from here? I'll go to this at the top. Then I want to scale it a bit on the x-axis. So I will press S and scale it on the x-axis like that, a bit on the x-axis, so to get that shape of a spoon. Now you see we have at least a shape of a spoon. Now I go to the right side, then I go back to edit mode so that I can be able to select the faces. Then I will go to this side, space select mode. I can press 1, 2, or 3. This is for 1, this is 2, this is 3. So I can press 1, 2, or 3. So, but here I will press 3 to get the face. Then I'll come to this face over here. I will select the face just like that. Go back to the front mode. Then I will extrude this face to the x-axis. So I will extrude on the x-axis like that. I will extrude on the x-axis like that. I will extrude on the x-axis again like that. So I think that is enough. I'll go back to object mode and see how it is. Okay, now we see it is good. I'll go back to edit mode, then I'll go to the top side and see how it looks. Okay, then I'll select this mode over here, select the edge mode, then I'll scale it a bit to get a shape of a spoon. Okay, I'll select this, then I'll scale it a bit to get the shape of a spoon. Okay, I'll go to face select mode. I want to increase it a bit, so I will select these faces over here while holding shift. Now I go to the top side. I will extrude it on the x-axis a bit like that so that you can get a loom. Then I will scale it like this. Then I will go to this mode over here to the front side. Then I will select this part over here while on the edge select mode. I will select this part over here, pressing G and bring it up a bit so that we get that shape of a spoon. We know how the spoon looks. Get that shape of a spoon just like that. Now we see we get that kind of shape of a spoon. So what do we do from here? I go back to object mode like that to see if my spoon is I see I'm getting the shape of that spoon already. Now I'll go to add a modifier, which is a subdivision modifier. I'll go here and go add the subdivision surface modifier. I will go up to level 2 and see how it looks. Okay, now we see how it looks. Now we have our spoon at hand. We have the shape of our spoon at hand, so let us like trick and shade smooth to see how it looks. Okay, it is good, it is good. Now we have our spoon at hand. It is good. The topology is good. Everything is good. I think now we have our spoon at hand over here. So what do we do from here? What do we do from here? Add the material. Now we go to the material mode like that. Well, the material of a spoon. Now we go to this side over here. I will add a material. Okay, I will go here. I already have the material of a spoon. I will just click like that. Now we have our spoon light here. We have a spoon light here. like the way you want it to be. Now you see a spoon is complete. This is how we model a spoon. So if you want to go a step further, you can press Ctrl A, or you can go there to add a mesh. So I will add a plane over there. I will scale it 7 times, just like that. I will go to this mode over here. I click here, I press G to bring it up a bit. Then I will press this one. Click G on Z axis to bring it up a bit. Okay, now we have our spoon over here. Now we see we have our spoon. We have our spoon. Let us add a camera in here. Control A. We go to here. We add a camera. If you add a camera, we go and press 0 and you bring it like that. You see, now we have our scene ready, just like that. Just like that, the way we wanted. There is our scene and there is our spoon, modeled and complete. So for videos like this, please subscribe for more next time. See you in the next video.